Yo, what's good, guys? Hope you're doing well. Thursday today, so Thursday, yeah, Thursday. So let's do the daily bias, daily anticipations. Okay, so let's actually start with NQ. So right now we are in this daily FEG. Price is not really reacting off this daily FEG. Like there are some wicks, but we are not closing bullish, so I don't really like it. 4 hour, there are those equal lows here. So right now I'm keeping an eye on them. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Okay. So like uh, right now, mm, right now, let me actually show. Right now, London expanded, and there is this 1 hour breaker. So right now, I want to see how like because right now it doesn't looks like price is respecting it, like I would prefer that this candle had closed like above this order block. Price didn't. So yeah, because we have those equal lows here, but on lower time frame there is this consolidation here with equal highs, and right now I want to see, and also the high of the session like was put at the wrong time, like at the right time but at the wrong level, because this is 8:30, from 8:15 to 8:30 candle. There is no 15-minute POI, 1 hour POI, so like it's the wrong time to put the high of the session. So I know that price will want to go there. Also this accumulation, like this is setting the market maker bomb model. And right now the only thing I'm thinking out is that there is this London low, and there is this London low. Right now we are in this 1 hour breaker, and I want to see how price is going to react there, because if there is no real reaction, like we consolidate or something like that, like right now there is no SMT, like it doesn't look as good for me. So I will be looking for manipulation, for a Judah swing, for preferably those London lows and those equal lows, to then target those highs here. This is the first scenario. The second scenario is that price is going to nicely respect this 1 hour order block and will just much higher for those equal highs here, and probably this highs here. But right now, also if you drag a standard deviations from this manipulation leg, like it's aligned with this low here, equal lows, like we have a lot of sales liquidity here. So I think it's like price will be, also London didn't manipulate, there was just a move higher. So seeing what price is doing, I will be anticipating a Judah swing for those equal lows and then reversal. Or if price is going to respect this 1 hour order block, then smash higher. Yeah, looks beautiful. Yeah, about like 5 minutes right now. Okay, so this is also nicely aligned. Yeah, that's probably random, isn't it? Probably is. Yeah, like right now. Yeah, like seeing, I know that those London lows will be taken. Seeing what is going on right now. Maybe if price creates a SMT here on ES. So yeah, we'll see, but I will be looking for a Judas lower to then reverse for those equal highs. So let's actually again uh, do it with like seeing ES. So ES, nothing special here, like the same like on NQ. I don't know what profile is it, if I have to be honest. Maybe it's Thursday reversal, because it doesn't really look like Wednesday reversal. 4 hour, yeah, we have those lows here, they are much cleaner on NQ. There was this SMT yesterday, 1 hour. Like on 1 hour, we are respecting nicely this 1 hour order block. So we will see. Maybe price is going to create a will create an SMT here, something like that. We'll see. But like the law of the day is at the right time, you know. So that's also a thing too that has to be like I should mention. 15 minutes. Yeah, if price wants to just go higher here, then I would want to see I would like to see a SMT here. Let me actually pull up this breaker right there. 5 minute. There is SMT on this breaker. 840. Yeah. Yeah, so we will see. We'll see, like how I said, I will be looking for those highs here, and I will be looking for a Judas lower to then reverse. And yeah, so that's it for today. We are seeing after the session. Like I don't know if I can say anything more. Okay, we will see each other after the session. See ya. Yo, what's good, guys? We are after the session. Actually, one trade, but I closed it at break even. Could have been 1 hour, but I decided to I will show you in a minute. But let's actually analyze what happened today. So, um, starting on daily, uh, we were looking for this FVG here. That price wasn't reacting from it. On 4 hour, we had those 4 hour equal lows here, right there. 1 hour, and on 1 hour, I remember that I said that I will be looking for a reaction on this 1 hour breaker, because if price would have shown a great reaction here, then I would have been looking for a setup for those equal highs, but there wasn't one. So 50 minute, yeah, I was looking for those equal highs. This consolidation was setting the market maker buy model, so we could either react here to end this market maker buy model and take those equal highs, or we could manipulate lower to take London lows and to take those equal lows here to then reverse. Why? Because London didn't manipulate, so that was the first thing that could show, could be a indication that this breaker shouldn't hold. 15 minute, on 15 minute, there was nothing special. There was this breaker at 8:30. Price was respecting it. London lows was really clear, and yeah, let's jump into the charts. So first of all, I will show we'll analyze. Then I will show the setup, and at the end, I will same thing as yesterday. I will tell you I will make a quick speech about new ideas that I decided to accomplish. Okay, so we took those 4 hour lows on ES. There is an SMT. 1 hour there was nice reaction. Then we didn't expand it from after taking those equal lows, so that's kind of strange, and that's why I took a trade at break even. 30 minute. Wait, let me see what happened on 1 hour here. Yeah, same thing. SMT, no reaction. Price come back to this inverted FVG. Yeah, nothing special. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Remember that there was this 30-minute FVG because this will be crucial in the setup I took. 15 minutes. right now it's a mess. Let me actually mark 9:30, 8:30, at 8:30, 9:30. Okay. So what happened? Accumulation. There was a reaction, but this was just a Judas, and in a moment I will tell you why. Okay, let's do it now quickly. It was a Judas because there were lows, but I will go into it in depth like in a minute. So no reaction, Judas higher. We took 8:30 high, probably random. Like we took the time based liquidity. Reaction of this 15-minute FVG, London lows taken, equal lows taken, reaction higher, no real expansion here. Right now price is setting, like we'll set SMT probably, and we will go higher, but doesn't matter. Like it's not during the session. We look, so let's start with 1 minute. Okay, so there was this 1 hour breaker, and how I said, I was looking if price is going to react from this level, like from this breaker, and will either, and if it either would finish the market maker buy model here, or if wait, because I'm messing, like I get lost in my speech. So yeah, I was saying that I will be looking for a reaction in this here on this 1 hour breaker. There wasn't one. Like there was this Judas at 9:30, but this was just a Judas, and it was just a turtle soup. If you take a look on 5 minute, it was accumulation, manipulation, distribution higher, lower. Price, like why you could anticipate that this will be a soup right now. How I said, there were those lows right here. So price didn't take them. There was no SMT. We went higher into the 15-minute FVG. Like it was looking like price is going to smash those equal highs. So probably a lot of retails were buying here, we're buying here, stop loss here. So also we engineered a lot of sell side liquidity here, TP here. And what happened? Just a soup. Why? Because before 9:30 there was no manipulation. So what 9:30 will do, will probably manipulate. Yeah, 15. So how to say? Like actually, you like, it wouldn't be how to say, smart to just put a sell order here and to do something like that, in my opinion at least. But there was a nice entry, because like price could manipulate even there and then reverse, but because we didn't do it, it was just a nice soup. So this was a nice confirmation for this setup, and this was a one. So SMT, we took 8:30 high, so we could say that this was the high of the session. It was put in the 15-minute FVG, so 9:37 is the right time, right PDR rate to put the high. SMT, inverted FVG, you could sell here, partial here, and actually partial here. Why? Okay, and then there was another entry, if you missed this one. So there was this 5-minute breaker. Like if you take a look, price went lower, we didn't take those equal lows. I believe there wasn't any SMT. No, there wasn't any SMT, but we didn't took those lows, but price started to go higher. Why it was so aggressive? Because if you take a look, whenever, like I saw that whenever something like that happened, price will just return to the 50%. Whenever there is like a huge drop, price will immediately go to the 50% to then go lower or now. But there will be a reaction, so you don't need to be scared, and you can take a setup if there is your model. So right there, those first entry went lower. For example, if you had taken this entry here, and you would have seen how price is going, like how aggressively price is going up, you could just have your stop loss here and be calm that if your idea is still right, will not take in it because we still have this sales liquidity here. So yeah, that's what happened. You could sell here again. Like I didn't see it. So yeah, because like I was looking at the setup and I was like, damn bro, I miss it. And like it was like right here and price just smashed. So I didn't put my orders and it went lower. What happened next? So once we respected this 5 minute breaker, price started to accumulate. Why price started to accumulate? Because it was setting a market maker buy model after taking those equal lows. If you take a look, setting market maker buy model, there was wrong time. Oh, also another confluence for this setup, it was that this was a wrong time, and actually after it became a 5 minute intermediate term high, so you could have your stop loss here and it would be and like fine. You could, like, if you had here, you could just trail it here. Why? Because like we went to the 5 minute FVG, so this became a intermediate term high. So yeah, price was setting accumulation here. Actually, there wasn't any good short in this accumulation, I think. Like there was no any interesting SMT. There was a one. Oh, there was also an SMT, but you could sell on this breaker here, but it wasn't clean for me. So yeah, accumulation, and there was nice reversal. 5 minute inverted FVG, price disrespected, and then like disrespected the FVG and then created inverted FVG. Nice reaction, targeting those highs here and targeting those highs above, and that's what I did on ES. So let me actually pull up executions. So yeah, so I enter here and this was a nice entry because there was also a 30-minute FVG. If you take a look how we closed, I believe it was this candle. So this was the candle from 10 to 10:30. Like it was beautiful. It was like high probable that we will get into this FVG. So that's what I did. 10:30 here, 30-minute FVG creation, price went lower and you could target those highs after there was an SMT, but I was targeting equal highs here because I was anticipating a huge reversal. Didn't happen. Also my stop loss was, wait, let me see, if I had my stop loss here to R would be there. So yeah, like actually it wouldn't be a win, like because there was SMT and then I would get stopped out. My stop loss was here, below, like here, and 2R would be there. Yeah, and I was targeting those equal highs. What happened next? So so next 30 minutes. So we went there, price created an SMT here. I don't know if there was anything. let me see on charts. Like there was no 1 hour PDRA. I wasn't looking for this inverted FVG because it was already used, but we took this 1 hour high. Let me see if there was anything on 15 minute. Like wait, because I'm doing a little I don't want to do a mess here. Okay, so let me see. It was this candle. Like actually there wasn't any PDRA. Well, let me see. Like this was there was this breaker, but I don't see anything, 15 minute. Oh, like there was this 30-minute FVG, There was this 30-minute FVG price, and when I saw that price reacted from it, like I was like, bro, we are going higher with this SMT, with those equal highs. I was looking for higher prices, especially because there is nothing, Like I remember that I was checking it and price, like maybe if equilibrium of the 4 hour of daily FVG, but if you take a look here on the 4 hour FVG, okay, wait, it was 1 hour. maybe it was 1 hour. Yeah, it was 1 hour. Yeah, equal rebeam of this FVG. Now I started. So I was looking for higher prices. Yeah, I was looking for reversal here, didn't happen. And yeah, let's see my executions. So once price was coming here, there was a 5-minute FVG, so I was still holding this trade. Why? Because let me actually see 30 minutes. This candle at 11. So at 11 there was such a reaction. At 11 there was such a reaction. Okay, but like I was still looking for those highs. It wasn't possible for me that will like just go lower. Like seeing what happened here, I wasn't really looking at it. There was this accumulation, there was this manipulation, and this market maker sell model here. But I was like, my stop loss was here, so I was waiting. I wanted to see what price will do once we reach it. So we created a small SMT here, and price created a market maker buy model here. There was a high resistance liquidity. So actually, I go break even here because once I see that going lower price created a bearish bearish FVG, it wasn't like, I was like, bro, something wrong is going on. Like here, it was a sign that maybe this FVG won't hold, but because my stop loss was here, I was like, no, bro, like I need to see. So I didn't close it here, and I decided to wait. And yeah, and it wasn't a bad idea because price returned to this 5-minute FVG, and I closed it once price returned to it. I saw that we are creating market maker buy model, especially seeing this breaker being held. But I was like, you know, bro, I don't fucking want to be in this high resistance liquidity, so I just decided to wait. Okay, and also why I decided to keep this trade here, it was because there was no soup going higher, there was no clear soup. So I was anticipating that maybe it will be just a soup lower to then go higher. Didn't happen. So yeah, like seeing this high resistance liquidity, I was like, bro, I'm going to sell it. And then once I saw that price close above this 5-minute FVG, we respected this one, but we didn't create another 5-minute FVG. So actually, wait, let me see. So this was 10. Let me see what. Show me the candle from 11:30. 11:30. Okay, when I saw that price reacted off of this 30-minute FVG, but we closed bullish on another candle, then I was I was looking for higher prices, like as initially I was looking for those highs here. So I decided to buy here. But once I saw that price actually again disrespected this 5-minute FVG, I was like, no, bro, like let me get out of this trade. So I just because I saw that this is a market maker buy model hill, I just decided to keep this trade. My stop loss was here, so it was huge. I believe I was like, again, I was targeting, it was something like that. Wait. I was targeting those highs here, but once I saw that price again disrespected, I knew that this is the high resistance liquidity here. Let me see NQ. Right there, like on NQ there was nothing, and I could hold this trade right there because I could have just target this 30-minute high, but I didn't want to take any profits on shit like that, you know, especially because I'm paper trading. So I decided to just close to, yeah, I just wanted to close, bro. I didn't want to journal trades like that, you know. That's disgusting for me. Yeah, if I hold this trade here, I would probably close it at 1 hour here. Wait. No, my stop loss was here. Yeah, I would close it here, but I closed this trade right there because there was a possibility that I will how to say, lose money here. Like I saw that price because I closed the trade here. I saw that price is not reacting off of this FVG like nicely, because you see we reacted once, twice, so it wasn't like there was no strength to push this price lower. But I also didn't see how that price is like pushing the price to go higher, you know. So I decided to, I'd like, no loss, no win, like no money lost, no money win, you know, like it's okay. So yeah, I decided to close it here. Then when I saw that price like again close above it, I bought it here. uh, but once I saw this reaction, I just decided to close on those highs. Like I was here, I wanted to close the trade here, but seeing that this is market maker model, I was just waiting for a soup, and then I saw those clear highs here, so I just decided to close the trade here. Price went there, and we just smashed lower. So yeah, actually it was something that I was anticipating. I was looking for a move to take this sell liquidity, but to then reverse. Price didn't do it. Price, like, we reversed it, but we consolidated and we went lower. Actually, let's see why price did something like that. That's, well, you know, interesting. Like the one thing that maybe, like, why price did it is that right now I see that there is this resistance area that is building, you know. So maybe this was a hammer trap. I don't like when, like, right now I don't really like the wicks like that, you know. I don't know, but especially seeing this resistance area here, it looks for me like there is resistance here. So probably seeing that price is reacting from this level, like, if you take a look about it, like, yeah, take a look about this. How does it look for you? It looks like fucking resistance. So if I would have been a retail, probably after seen this something like that, I would be like, bro, there is resistance. Let me just buy. Let me just fucking buy, and I would put orders here. You know? Yeah, like probably I would do something like that. So I think that there are there wait there is or there is a lot of sell side liquidity. I think there is a lot of sell side liquidity that have been generated, you know, after this reaction higher. So yeah, that's what I think. But we'll see what price will do. Actually, I would just, I would just mark it out like somewhere. Wait. What price will do after takes that? Yeah, because if price take this wick here and we start to go higher, then I think that my thesis, I don't know if it's the good word, but that there is this resistance building on, and people are still buying, so price need to go lower to take all the fucking sell side to then go higher. Because right now that we have a lot of equal highs right there, so like I wouldn't be surprised if like PM session would look like that. So yeah, so we took this whole resistance fucking whole retail crap area here, break, and yeah, something like that. Especially for those highs. I don't even care about going higher, but those equal highs. Yeah, so we will see. I don't know if there is something like, yeah, like London didn't manipulate, so that's why. Another thing was this soup here. This could be a nice entry. Align it with time, sell side. Yeah, I think that will be all for today. Let me actually see, like, yeah, this would be too like, I'm a little bit mad, you know, but that's fucking okay. That's fucking okay. We are fucking learning. We didn't lose any money, so why the fuck you would like to, like, why the fuck you want to be mad, like, you know. Yeah, but you know, this, it is what it is. Let me actually I want to see one thing here because I'm looking for something. Wait, let me see where my entry was. So my entry was on this candle. This candle here, let me see. So if I would have taken, okay, so it was the same entry. And if I had taken the entry here, stop loss probably here. Wait, let me see actually. Let me actually see. Yeah, so it could depend, you know. It could depend because right now I see that I don't know where I would have put my stop loss. Maybe here. Oh, there is this low, so probably here. Yeah, like probably I will put my stop loss right there. Yes, like it would be 2R. It is what it is. Okay, and another statement that I want to make here. So once I finally made it, I can rewatch it again and say, yeah, bro, that was the great idea. So actually, I fucking blew my account again. Why I did it? So there was this accident that I was talking about yesterday. This accident here, this emotional behavior. So I was like, I had 300, only 300 to again go back to the break even and to do another, and then to try do like 3,000 to pass it. So I decided, because like my expire date was 28th, something like that. So because it would be really hard, and I decided today I took like I remember something like that, like in this consolidation I took a short. Actually it would be a win. Okay, so this could be an example why I was thinking that this could be a, how to say, a confluence that I knew that price is consolidating here to manipulate lower because I took a short here. It was also like I just was looking for a quick short, you know, to like fucking blow it. But I knew that this would work out. So actually, wait, let me see. Oh, like I don't want to look, but doesn't matter, bro. I just fucking blew it, and why I did it? So because it was making a huge pressure for me, because I don't feel that I know enough to earn money on those markets. My goal is to my goal right now is that on March, I want to make my first 10k a month with trading. I know it's possible. I know that there is this is possible. You know, if I put a lot of work, is it possible? I don't want to fucking rush. I don't care. And right now I will be trading paper, only paper. I created an account here, paper trading, 50k account. I need to make 6,000 here, and once I made 600, once I made yeah, well, like once I make 6,000, then I will buy like 3 accounts and I will achieve my goal in like a month, you know. I just need to build confidence that I'm good, I know what I'm doing, and I just don't want to be emotional. I want to take trades, and I don't, because right now I feel that I have built a habit that I'm scared to take trades because I will lose money. I can possibly lose money. So I just decided that, you know, bro, I will stop and I will do demo for like 2 months, because let me actually. Oh, there is no calendar. Like, wait. So I will buy my funded account on 15th of January, and yeah, I have like 2 months of demo. I know that in 2 months I can build discipline. That's first. I can build trust to myself, and yeah, so that's a quick statement I wanted to make. And yeah, if someone watch it, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, I know that I'm making a lot of mistakes in English, but I'm still learning it to like become good at it, because I really like to make those videos. And Yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say. So see ya tomorrow, guys.